Test Your Brilliance. What color were the original Converse All Stars when they debuted in 1917? C. Brown. Converse All Stars were first produced in brown canvas to appeal to basketball players, with black and white versions introduced later. What was the first shoe brand to use Velcro instead of laces in the 1980s? B. LA Gear. Introduced Velcro sneakers in the 1980s, marketed as a futuristic, easy-to-wear option for kids and teens. What was the original purpose of the air cushion in 1985's Air Jordans? B. Shock absorption. Nike's Air Jordan used air cushion technology patented as Air Sole to absorb impact and protect athletes' feet. Are you a genius? Test Your Brilliance. Which vintage toy is known for its iconic red and yellow design and is often a child's first vehicle? B. Little Tyke's Cozy Coupe. What toy consists of a colorful plastic spring that walks downstairs? B. Slinky. Which 1960s toy allowed children to draw using a spinning screen and knobs? C. Etch-a-Sketch. What was the name of the doll that came with adoption papers in the 1980s? A. Cabbage Patch Kids. Which iconic building toy company was founded in Denmark in 1932? C. Lego. What was the name of the first action figure ever created? A. G.I. Joe. Are you a genius? Test Your Brilliance. What is the best-selling car of all time? B. Toyota Corolla. Which brand manufactured the Corvette? B. Chevrolet. What was the first car to use an assembly line for production? A. Ford Model T. Which car brand is often symbolized by a horse prancing? C. Ferrari. Which car brand is known for its slogan, "The Ultimate Driving Machine"? C. BMW. What is the name of Tesla's autopilot feature? A. Autopilot. What does SUV stand for? C. Sport Utility Vehicle. Are you a genius? Test Your Brilliance. What year did World War II begin? B. 1939. Who was the leader of Nazi Germany during World War II? C. Adolf Hitler. Which event caused the United States to enter World War II? B. Bombing of Pearl Harbor. What was the name of the British Prime Minister during most of World War II? C. Winston Churchill. Which beach was famously stormed during the D-Day invasion? A. Omaha. Who was the U.S. president during most of World War II? B. Franklin D. Roosevelt. What year did World War II end? C. 1945. Are you a genius?